Welcome to Seminole Woods, a beautiful private 1,550-acre gated equestrian community with 262 wooded 5-acre lots located right off of County Road 426 in Geneva, Florida. The community is fully gated with a staffed guardhouse and a private paved road. It features large Lake Buck Lake, along with several private lakes, a private boat ramp, private beach, swimming, and fishing. There's also a beautiful park, horse trails, nature trails, and more. Homes are now averaging consistently over $1 million due to neighborhood privacy, the active neighborhood events, and the customized homes that this beautiful community offers its residents. The community is also home to a variety of wildlife, including deer, turkey, and rabbits. Residents can often see these animals wandering through the woods, crossing the roads, or even in their yards. Seminole Woods has an active homeowners association that hosts social events every month, like First Fridays. And they host larger events throughout the year for larger holidays as well. It's a great community, and they do all the events right here on property. Seminole Woods is the perfect place for people who want to enjoy a quiet, secluded lifestyle with all the amenities of a modern community. For those that want to feel connected with their neighbors while valuing privacy in their homestead and having access to all the conveniences of nearby Oviedo just a few miles away, this is a perfect place for you to live and have your privacy. If this sounds like something you would love, Seminole Woods may be the perfect place for you. Call me today to find out at 407-801-9914, or you can visit our website at yourwaypoint.com.